Okay, so deserts, huh? Looks like you've brought a ton of cool stuff on desert ecosystems. We've got this desert ecosystem.pdf, some slides on adaptations. This is great. You've been busy.
Yeah, deserts are way more interesting than people think. It's not all just like sand and camels.
Right. Speaking of which, desert ecosystem.pdf actually says that's not the main thing at all. It says what really makes a desert is low precipitation.
Yeah, it's all about the lack of water.
Yeah.
To even be classified as a desert, a place can only get less than 250 millimeters of rainfall a year, which,
That's what, less than 10 inches?
exactly, less than 10 inches of rain for a whole year. That's crazy.
You'd think with conditions that harsh, all deserts would be pretty much the same, right?
You'd think so, but you'd be wrong. Desertecosystem.pdf talks about four main types. Hot deserts, obviously, but also semi-arid coastal deserts. And get this, cool deserts.
Hold on, cool deserts. What is that, like deserts with penguins?
Not quite penguins hot, but some deserts actually get snowfall. It just goes to show how diverse these ecosystems really are. Like coastal deserts, that really throws people off because it challenges our whole idea of what a desert can be.
So we've got these different flavors of desert, but one thing's for sure, they're not exactly dot welcoming, are they?
You said it. It's hardcore survival mode out there.
Seriously, desertecosystem.pdf lays it all out. Aridity, obviously, but then you've got insane temperature swings, brutal sun next to no moisture in the air.
It's like nature's obstacle course.
Uh-huh.
And incredibly dry, obviously.
Yeah, talk about a challenge. And yet, stuff not only survives, it thrives. Speaking of which, the adaptation slide, whoa, desert plants. Talk about masters of efficiency.
Right. Short growing seasons, then boom, dormant for what feels like forever.
Like cacti, right. They're the ultimate water hoarders.
Totally. Those stems aren't just for show. They've evolved into these amazing water storage units. Phylloclades, they're called.
Phylloclades. Catchy, so like a built-in canteen.
Basically, they can store water for months, even years at a time. And those spines everyone's so scared of?
Don't remind me I'm clumsy enough as it is.
Well, those are actually modified leaves. Evolution is wild, right?
No kidding. Trading in branches for water-saving spikes.
Okay.
But it's not just about cacti, right? What about those crazy deep roots you always hear about?
Oh yeah, some desert plants, their roots go down 80 feet.
80 feet. That's like longer than I don't even know.
It's longer than a school bus.
That's what I was going to say. It's like they're determined to find water no matter what. But not all desert plants are playing the slow game, right? You've got those ephemerals, right?
Ephemerals. The sprinters of the desert plant world, they have these super short life cycles, perfectly timed to those rare desert rains.
So they're just waiting, and then boom, life and color everywhere. So cool. But, okay, plants are one thing, but the animals, how do they handle that kind of heat?
A lot of it is about timing. They're masters of disguise, many of them, burrowing underground during the day to escape the worst of it, then coming out at night when it's cooler.
Makes sense. The burrowing animals slide mentioned kangaroo rats, Gila monsters, even owls that burrow. It's like a whole underground desert scene.
Right, but hiding out's just one tactic. They've got physical adaptations, too. Their color, for example. A lot of desert animals are pale, which actually helps to reflect sunlight, keeping them cooler.
Like built-in sun protection.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then you've got those animals with those huge ears.
Those are like radiators, right?
Yeah.
Helping them to, what was the word? Dissipate.
Dissipate, exactly. So smart. And then there's the whole water conservation thing. Desert animals, they've got that dialed in.
Yeah, I bet. Every little bit counts when you're out there.
No kidding. Their kidneys, for example, they're insanely efficient, extracting almost every drop of water from their urine.
Wow, they don't let anything go to waste. Are there any that are like the champs at that?
Oh, yeah. The thorny devil lizard, for example. Ever heard of it?
Can't say I have. What's its deal?
This lizard, it basically has skin that's like a sponge.
Yeah.
It can absorb moisture from the air and funnel it to its mouth.
Get out! Seriously? That's like superpower stuff. Okay, this is my favorite part. Gotta ask. What other total weirdos live out there?
Oh, so many good ones. Let's see. Sidewinder snakes, for example.
Sidewinders. Snakes. What's so weird about those?
It's not what they are, it's how they move. They've evolved this crazy way of getting around in loose sand. They move sideways.
Sideways. No way. So it's not slithering. It's like
a sideways slither.
Exactly. Wild. Okay, what else? What else?
Okay, how about a lizard with a built-in snack pack?
Uh-huh. What?
The Gila monster. They've got these thick tails specifically for storing fat.
So it's like their emergency stash. That's awesome.
Right. And then there's the fogstand beetle.
Fogstand beetle. That sounds oddly specific.
Well, they figured out how to get this collect water from fog. They climb up, get in just the right position, and those little droplets collect on them.
Clever. They're like the ultimate opportunists.
Right. And finally, for pure entertainment value, there's the Cape ground squirrel. They use their giant bushy tail as basically a parasol for shade.
You're kidding?
Nope. Lifts it right up, blocks out the sun.
Incredible. All these adaptations are just mind-blowing.
I know, right? It just goes to show how much diversity is out there and the amazing ways life finds a way to thrive, even in the harshest environments.
Absolutely. And speaking of harsh, we can't forget about the king of all deserts, the Sahara Desert,
Hmm.
covering the entire top of Africa.
Oh, the Sahara. Now that's a desert. Temperatures there can reach 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It's massive.
122 degrees. I bet the creatures there have some truly incredible adaptations.
You can say that again. It's a hotbed of unique and fascinating life forms.
That's amazing. You know, we've only scratched the surface here, but I already feel like I've learned so much.
Me too. Deserts are truly incredible places.
They really are. So next time you think of a desert, don't just picture sand. Remember the amazing adaptations, the resilient life, and the sheer beauty of these incredible ecosystems. Keep exploring and keep diving deep into the fascinating world around us. Until next time.